It's the perfect storm. Supply chain issues are at a high, leaving lots of grocery store shelves empty. And at the same time, we have winter weather approaching, which is bringing in a whole lot of more people to grocery stores.
It's just an ongoing challenge to keep the shelves stocked.
Pasta, crackers, cream cheese, eggs, even pet food. Some items are tough to come by anywhere you go right now.
Getting products in a timely fashion or getting things at all. Certain categories are having real problems, and every couple of days it's a different product.
If you're planning to swing by the store before the storm, a successful haul will depend what you're shopping for.
I haven't run across any problems, except maybe some fresh produce and stuff like that. I've seen where that's kind of been limited.
Yeah, I'm not seeing much of anything in a lot of places, you know. I have to go to one store to get one thing, like lemonade, right? It's little stuff. I go to Target, it was completely empty the other day.
Santoni's is bringing in products from their catering suppliers to keep shelves stocked.
We're having a little bit of a run on milk, but that's because it's going to snow. It's not that it's short in supply, it's just that people buy milk.
Right now, the store is seeing about a 20% cut into their workforce because of COVID-19 related sickness, which won't be helpful as they expect an influx of customers in the coming days.
The typical Baltimore customer is going to come to the grocery store, they're going to buy milk, toilet paper, and whatever other essentials that they need to hunker down for a couple of days, whether it snows or not.
He says the key to keeping store shelves stocked is when you do shop, only buy what you need. In Glendon, I'm Tommy Clark, WBIL TV 11 News.